Hi all, welcome back. So in this video we will see how to execute multiple spec files in one go. So if you see in this Cypress test runner, uh, there is no way that we can select multiple files and execute the multiple files in one go. So if you wanted to execute, you have to execute a single file, and then you need to go back, and then you need to run another spec again. So there is no way from the test runner directly you can execute multiple test cases or multiple spec files here. So to execute multiple spec files and to combine multiple spec files and run in one go, what you need to do is okay you need to create another spec file, and then need to import whatever the spec files that you want to execute in single go, like creating a test shoot. Okay, so for that what I'm creating another spec file. So handle or suit validate inputs. Okay, .cy.js. So here we no need to do like describe or creating a test cases like it or something like that. So what we need to do here is we just need to import whatever the test cases that you want to run in single go. So here I wanted to run some test case visit web page, the first one that we have written, and then after that handle text box, and then let's see handle radio buttons, and then handle checkboxes, and then handle drop downs. So I wanted to run all these 5 spec files in one go. So what I'm going to do is I have created another spec file, and I have added those spec files into that spec files by using import keyword, and I'm saving it and going to test runner. So there you can see suit validate inputs. If I click on that one, you will see all these test cases will run in one go. The first one, the second one, third, handle radio buttons, handle text boxes. See, all the test cases will be executed one by one here. See, now it's running handle radio buttons, and then now handling checkboxes. First test case is running, and after that second test case is running. So, and then finally handle drop downs. Yeah, see, now all 5 spec files executed here. So one by one, the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So whatever the test cases that you need to run or spec files that you need to run, you can include them in a separate file, and you can execute that file. So in this way you can run multiple spec files in a single go. Thank you.